Okay, welcome back to what will be the last lesson of the backend functions, and then we're going to move on to the front end. So we'll just create two more functions in this lesson. I'll zoom in for this one. I'm going to pause it. If you want to pause it now, I'll copy this out. Then we're going to go through it in a second. And I'll also scroll down to this one if you want to pause and copy this out. Okay, so what these functions do on user image change. So when you update your profile image, it's going to update all the job post user image URLs. So we come to here, see in job posts, it's got user image URL. So when you update it in users, it's going to update all the ones in the job post for you. So exports.onUserImageChange equals functions.region. Remember, if you want to get your own region, click on this, click on supported regions, and they're all listed here. So firestore.document users, so that means collection. You can do .collection.doc or look in the Firestore documentation online, and you can see you can do it this way or you can do it the other way. They both work. So on update change, so we're going to see when this thing is updated. So when we update this, if the user image URL has changed, then we're going to update on the job post. So if something else has changed, it's not going to do it. But if it's a user image URL, it's going to update the job post one. So if change before data.user image URL is not equal to the after, as in it's a different image URL, then we're going to do this. Const batch equals db.batch, then return db.collection job post where username is equal to change before data username. That could be change after data username as well, because I don't think, we're not going to allow people to update the username. So we got get, then data. So for each job post that has our username in it, or the username that got updated, we're going to go through, go to the job post with the document ID, batch update job posts. So we're going to update them with the new change after data user image URL. So we're going to update the job post with a new image URL, and then return batch.commit to update it, else return true. So you want to save that one. You can go Command-Shift-P and then Firebase deploy dash only functions, or you can go to the next one. I've redone the deployment, so I could probably show you now. Anyway, so the next function, on job post delete. So this is when we delete one of our job posts. We want to delete all job replies and all notifications in relation to the job post. So when we delete it, job post ID equals context.params.jobPostID, which is this one here. So the collection job post with job post ID, it's going to get that job post ID, and remember, within job replies and notifications, I think I've just deleted them all. Oh no, I haven't. It's got the job post ID v6rh, same with this one, v6rh, and then job post v6rh. So those are all related there. So where you can console log it, you don't have to do that. Just because I had an issue before, I had the wrong spelling on these job post ID. So you want to return db.collection job replies where job post is equal to job post ID. We're going to get those, and then we're going to delete them all. So we're going to get all the ones where the job post ID is the same as the job post we just deleted, and then we're going to batch delete all those job replies, and then we're going to do the exact same with notifications. So where the notifications.jobPostID is equal to the job post ID that we just deleted, we're going to get the batch delete all those there. So you're going to go Command S, Option Command S, save everything. Command Shift P, Firebase deploy dash only functions. Click enter. I've already done this, of course. Now, you don't actually have to go through Postman for this. You can go through here. So, you want to update this. Well, go to a job post, see what user you got there. So we got Lucy, so we're going to find Lucy. And we're going to update her avatar one to like a new picture. Try and find if there's a new picture in here somewhere. I think out of Ben 20. Nope. 22 maybe. Yep, here's a new image, so we're going to copy this. All copy. Okay, so you notice in job posts, the user URL is this default avatar one. So when we update Lucy's profile picture, Command A, Command V to paste, update. See if we can get back fast enough. This should update now, which it does, to our new image. So you want to get a new image. If you don't remember how to get a new image, you want to come to, yeah, see how that error there, job post ID wasn't the same, just for a spelling mistake, so you do get those simple mistakes. Where are we? Storage. Just showing you if you don't, so you can upload a file just from online, and then maybe click on the file there, file location, just click and it copies it. So if you want to get a new image, just test out that function. Okay, so that's it. And now we want to delete this job post here. And if you notice in job replies, all these, the job replies and notifications relate to this job post. So when we delete this, it should delete job replies and notifications, that one in there. So we'll go delete, start delete, see if I can get back fast enough. It goes away. Same with the notifications one. So that's to test them. You don't need Postman. You can just go in there and delete them like so, because this will just go to the job post collections and get that job post ID from the one you deleted. So it's not a thing that goes through Postman. So hopefully that's all clear to you. And just remember, any errors, just go to the logs and functions, logs as always. Okay, so that's it for the functions. Now we'll build some of the front end and test some of these functions, see them in real action.